thoughts begin by taking your phone calls to 1011. Please say that way. All the quick time. Email us well at rock101.com. Hey, Rock101 Club members, you got a little point. You're wondering what to do. Well, how about you can do it? Opening night for Rock101 presentation with Monty Python Babylon, July 22 to 27 on NBC Camp. Now, if you're not a member of the Rock101 Club, that's the thing. By just going on to rock101.com, signing up, start collecting points, fun with all of these members of the club get into, and our new exhaust port, which is perfectly 1 3/8 for the B44. Very minimal shimming. I've been looking forward to this for 3 years now. And this head was bought off of a Queen NG on eBay. And it came with an exhaust valve and an exhaust guide. And it was in extremely good condition. I think I paid $38 for this, plus 25 shipping. Never had a problem with them. Good dealer. You get what you pay for, and you look at it and make your best estimation. But that header, or the header inlet here on the exhaust, is perfectly round, so very little worn use on it, which causes leaks. Brought this up to 32 millimeter intake. Boosted up the valve size on the intake. And we'll clean up the head surface mating area, and we'll put it back together tomorrow after I hand mill my piston to fit.